With the support of the National Lottery Heritage Fund, KBCE began to establish the Kimjang Project in 2018. The project involves recording, archiving, and distributing 21 authentic kimchi recipes and personal Kimjang experiences from North, South, and Korean Chinese residents, as well as hosting an annual Kimjang Festival on New Malden High Street on the third Saturday of November. The Kimjang Project officially started in February 2019 with a launch event at the Methodist Church in New Malden. From spring to summer, many kimchi recipes were researched, and finally 21 recipes were shortlisted by the World Institute of Kimchi and Chef Im Hyung-soo. In September 2019, those 21 recipes were filmed. 18 of them were from Korean housewives from North and South Korea, as well as Yanbian in China. Through kimchi and Kimjang culture, Koreans from all backgrounds united to celebrate this unique culinary cultural heritage. Furthermore, we discovered that kimchi has become localized and the tradition of Korean kimjang has been practiced in a variety of new ways in the UK. Which leads us to our newly released hard copy of the Kimchi Recipe Book. The amount of time and effort which has gone into producing this has been astounding. However, we hope that these efforts will not go to waste. Let us turn our attention to honor our contributors who have spared some time to complete and share their thoughts with us. Here is our new Kimchi Recipe Book. Let's have a look inside. As you can see, there are a number of beautiful recipes which have been carefully illustrated and photographed. Personally, I really love this book and I will actually be taking it home to try some of the recipes for myself. Now, let's have a look at what other people think.
Annyeonghaseyo. Thank you very much indeed for giving me this copy of this recipe book all about kimchi. It's beautifully presented and written and contains so much fascinating information that it has really inspired me to try to make some kimchi. I have some of the necessary items and will be shopping for the rest shortly. This book not only gives clear and precise instructions, it also explains about the cultural importance of kimjang to a community. It shows the philosophy and the traditions of making kimchi and how it brings people together for the common good and to strengthen families and communities. There are also well-presented YouTube videos linked to the recipes to guide readers through the process. The participants are all local people, although you would think they were professionals. The book is a culmination of a collaboration between the Korean-British Cultural Exchange and the National Lottery Heritage Fund. It has taken a great deal of time, energy and dedication to bring it to publication, and it is a real asset to the understanding of kimchi and its importance to the life of Korea. I think it is the only book of its kind published in the UK. It was an inspired idea, and many thanks go to Justina Jang and everyone else involved in its creation. I do hope that as many people as possible take this opportunity to learn about the making of kimchi, its amazing health benefits and its community importance. Once again, thank you, and I look forward to sharing my homemade kimchi with my family. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Anna Park, Ambassador of the Republic of Korea to the UK. Kimchi is a symbol of Korean culture and it is inscribed on UNESCO's list of World Intangible Cultural Heritage. Led by Korea-British Cultural Exchange and the World Institute of Kimchi, last year we held the first Kimjang Festival as part of the Kingston Korea Festival 2019. As a follow-up to the Kimjang Festival, we published a kimchi recipe book that introduced 21 traditional Korean kimchi recipes. The book conveys a sense of the overall culture of Korean food along with kimchi recipes, helping us to gain a great appreciation of Korean food. The book is particularly appealing as it contains many attractive images and photographs. Indeed, the book helpfully explains the process of how to make delicious kimchi in 9 stages. I hope this recipe serves as a cultural bridge connecting Korea and UK. The origin of kimchi dates far back, and the dish provides us with a taste of our ancestors' wisdom. In this sense, it is my delight to see the history of such food being rewritten here in the UK. I would like to thank all the experts and participants that put in such efforts in carrying out this Kimjang project. Thank you.
이 김장 책자가 이제 이렇게 나왔는데 저는 이 책자를 보고 느낀 거는 김치 만들기가 애국인들 우리가 이렇게 얘기를 해줄 때 굉장히 어려워 하는데 이 책자 레시피를 보고 우리 고유의 한국 음식을 조금 더 다가설 수 있는 좋은 계기가 되었으면 하는 게 제 바람이고요.
Having this book, a recipe book, in my hand, and looking through it, it's incredible. And I'm not a reader, but it's one of them books you want to keep picking up and looking at. And now I've got the recipes, I can now enjoy Korean food in my own home. So this, if I had to give it stars, it would be 5-star for me. It's very easy reading, it's superbly illustrated, and explanation are very, very easy to follow. So from now on, I think the Korean food is going to be very much 100% in my home. So thank you for this, and thank you for the book and the authentic kimchi recipes and the Kimjang organisation. I think you're doing a superb job and bringing Korean culture to the UK. Thank you.
네, 제가 이 김치 레시피 책자를 처음 봤어요. 솔직히. 근데 이 책자를 보면서 제가 반가운 이유가 제가 여기 31년째 살고 있지만 어떤 이제 저희 네이버 이웃이 그분이 방법을 좀 알려주라 했을 때 참 막연했어요. 내가 이 김치 담는 법을 저 사람한테 어떻게 자세히 설명을 잘 할 수가 있을까? 또 그리고 그분 역시 내가 하는 말을 잘 알아듣고 정말 잘할 수 있을까 굉장히 염려가 됐었어요. 근데 이 레시피가 나오면서 정말 이 여기에 있는 현지인들이 김치를 좋아하시고 또 먹고 싶어 하시는 분한테 정말 좋은 이 레시피가 되었다고 제가 참 반갑습니다. 이게 나옴으로써 굉장히 기뻐요.
What I like about this book, this beautiful book, it's very nice 80-page book regarding kimchi, of course. This particular book is split up into different sections, and I find that's they've taken a lot of time and effort into putting these details into this book. And also, there's also a map regarding the pottery and the different, this, for example, map of pottery here. But this is, as I say, it's 80 pages. It's not just South Korean kimchi. It's not just South Korean kimchi. And also, one more thing, there is a section that focuses on localized. So it's ways of making kimchi or adding to kimchi from this part of the UK or from outside of Korea. That's it. This is a really good book. I recommend it. Cheers.
Would you like to have one? You can actually download the book for free from www.kimjangproject.com. We would like to thank the National Lottery Heritage Fund again for supporting us in the production of this book. On our Kimjang Project YouTube, we have also uploaded video instructions for all of our 21 kimchi recipes just for you. We hope that you enjoy making various types of kimchi with the support of our book and videos. Don't forget to follow us on our social media platforms at Kimjang Project and KBCE UK on our Facebook and Instagram. Once again, thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoyed this year's Kimjang Festival. Please stay safe and healthy, and we look forward to seeing you again next year.